Khichdi is more than a dish, it's comfort in a bowl. Hey race, what khichdi is called in English, its easy recipe, types you should try, and its benefits. For most people, khichdi is more than a dish, it is a collection of memories. It is that one dish every Indian has grown up eating, whether during childhood, sickness, or as comfort food after a long day. Simple, wholesome, and nourishing, khichdi is made with rice, lentils, and mild spices. When it comes to its English name, there isn't a direct translation. The closest terms people use are rice and lentil porridge or savory lentil stew. But honestly, khichdi is much more than that, it's comfort in a bowl. Also don't feel like cooking, try this easy dal khichdi recipe that's perfect for rainy days. Khichdi isn't just food. It's often the first solid meal fed to babies, a go-to dish when you're under the weather, and even a sattvic meal recommended in Ayurveda for balancing the body. It's light on the stomach yet gives lasting energy. For many of us, it's also a taste of home. In fact, on sick days, it is all you can actually eat. Ingredients you will need: how to make khichdi. This is the plain version, but you can always make it richer with veggies, spices, or even dry fruits. Check out 3 more tasty khichdi recipes. A hearty version with peas, carrots, beans, and cauliflower. Packed with onions, tomatoes, and whole spices for a spicy, pulao-like taste. The lightest, easiest digest version, perfect when you're unwell. Made with bajra or jowar instead of rice, ideal for diabetics or anyone wanting a healthier twist. Tamil Nadu's Ven Pongal peppery with curry leaves and cashews, or Karnataka's Bizi Bele bath tangy with tamarind and spice mix are delicious regional takes. Khichdi is high in protein, gluten-free, and naturally nourishing. Beyond health, it's cultural too. In many states, khichdi is offered to deities during Makar Sankranti as a symbol of simplicity and devotion. So, what is the final verdict on what khichdi is called in English? You can call it rice and lentil porridge or savory stew. It's the ultimate Indian comfort food, a dish that heals, nourishes, and reminds why.